to the Jesu na ndụ ebe ebe. Biko Akachaam release na pastor o release pastor si no o so na the pastor chọrọ igwe wayo mgbe ahụ. Una ụmụ na-ekwu ihe. What goes around comes around. Kedu ihe mere nje tiri mkpu? I'm a former Catholic member. M na-aga Dunamis being Pentecostal church. Now, mmadụ wee pụta wee mejọ na Catholic church. Instead of Catholic church, he tackle the thing. And the other people you condemn, ihe emelo, if I know about that little mmadụ ikwu Akachaam. Ha say after all, ofu onye anara ama na ha abịa na church. Now that evil ahụ na-ekwu maka ya hapụgo Catholic church bata na Pentecostal church. Kita attack you go pastors. One day he will call out your daddy GO. Agwa mu na agwa. Evil that you did not tackle today will definitely come back to you. Onara egbu oge. Go and watch my statement. Nnekwu ya steady. Kita ata osigo na father mbaka nkwu okwu maka ya. Osi from there ba onye ọzọ nkwu okwu maka ya. Osi from there bata na Pentecostal church na nkwu okwu maka ya. Why revisiting old wounds? According to him, was in him maybe years ago. Why revisiting it? Because he want to push a narrative. Why revisiting? Why you could the thing going on a church? You gotta go. Mana ko di kwan. Bye bye.
Ni bye. Ekene munu etuzumu nenyi na afa asim ka chuku mepesiwa yanya. I think I quickly want to talk about this guy. Evangelist Chidi Ibenado. Business center, okay, sorry, ministry, Citadel of Glory Ministry. Personal experience. I don't know. Before we go about Madam Moi radio, my mom and and I know what it means in Nigeria today about cybercrime. And I challenge anybody I mentioned to sue me, then I will sue the person in Anna. That you win, that a judgment is in your favor doesn't make it true. And ebe mfugoro na ike dị na anyị na soba wela aga. So that's what will give me the guts ikpo onye afa, even when there is a cyber offense, that is being signed into law. So Chidi Ibenado o nwere right issue for defamation. Mu isuzu na Nnewi na Igbo. Nya no bụ na siku baketa na asị ka we wonu na-ekwu maka ndị ụka. And please, because here get when I'm wrong very soon ndị anyị send us out maka ndị fake native doctors with spy cameras. It will still coming up. If I chọrọ ka anyị Igbo dị ọcha na if I chọrọ ka ndị mmadụ ji aka ha je kwuo okwu onwefa I eme some ndị fada or ndị pastor or ndị ụka ma ndị dibia ma ndị fake traditionalist. Reason why we need to start exposing them for others not to fall victim and for ndị na plan to continue in those criminality to Magumanos advance that side. I don't think it's something that should be commended, because otherwise, especially when you are fighting who you don't even know, and you still go out there. But let anybody that wants to attack me, get me, the day I lie against you. After Chidi, Evangelist Chidi Ibenado. Now, this incident happened, I guess, in the second or third week of November in 2013. Because in the nearby, or possibly only Mudim, or when your man, Eugene and Ichebe, you come and Newi, MD Denka, that died. This is just the date. Over 3 days. This incident made the last day, which is likely to be Saturday or Friday, I can't remember. Over 2 days, like in the next day, you might know that next day. So why I am making this to be very clear, you must be on Navy. I mean, Koma is a popular Igbo guy that we lost. So I don't know where the date in the comment section. It will help me to get exact date. If I'm not sure. So what happened? Chinyeruduma, my friend, Obiatiegu Nanke Ikukoma, Nyana Kumozi Ikukoma, Ijina Nichebe during the funeral. He was there for 2 days. So on the second day, she was to go to Port Harcourt and then to Owerri in one night. Ministration. I'd like to do my voice till tomorrow. So I had a talk, and based on the bad roads and then the night movement, she wanted me to drive her in my own car, which I accepted. Kangapo, the first place I got, couple story for another day. Then from there, in Port Harcourt, we took off away, same night, Nime Futo Hall, and with almost 33,000 people here. Because no one get a typhoon now called the period home. Either 2nd or 3rd week of November in 2013. One go then na Futo. Moko no imsu no Futo. It should be Futo. One neighbor na go combat. Ubosichi dibia me. One of crusade get over because it was a night program inside the school compound, na hall school. Obuhoma jeep and another jeep, a security van. Maybe would you come for about 4 cars, whatever. And the preaching of that night is all about prosperity. And the jeep, the Homa jeep with the outside. No, onye je sow seed. Kuwena roach for the Homa jeep H2. No onye je sow seed, no onye after 1 week, onye metalo a contract of 1 billion. All those kind of rubbish stories. Now, I mean, do the unveiling change of several preacher from Orbia, the born but what happened? How wicked this motherfucker is. Sabahisia. No, na chupu ya gozi ka ifi wodi nyere ha. Ndị 50,000 naira pụtara, ndị 30,000 naira pụtara, ndị 20,000 pụtara, ndị 5,000 pụtara. I was not comfortable. About I can deal some rubbish. And the man I say, don't touch not my anointed and do my prophet no harm. Me, that if that prophet is not hammer, I won't touch you if you are a prophet. But if you are hammer, I will hammer you. I will touch you. Because you know he or know chi. I will swear and then Neri. So you see, everyone nowhere goes to know the wicked. Always you know where in a hall because the guy on there now on this guy with sugar. But you could not get me from first 5 minutes in there go with no fake. Now, even no man no back will be not only who one in a hall. What are those scanty? Man, not with few people. Or so can in a hall man need to hear guy and you know transfer tonight. Man, you know tomorrow. Next 3 days, maximum 1 week, but that then the hall was empty. Or not to show much now anonymous school. Crusade or whatever night, wherever I will go. The same hotel owner, Doma, and myself. Getting back to the hotel, I go na room here. I talk and know I go na reception, no at home. and I want to leave over early morning that very day. I can't mention that number 3. So I decided to be awake so that you can lie all at once. The guy left an reception phone. Meanwhile, he's been eyeing my car, Honda Ridgeline, a Honda truck, like a Tundra. Everything same. Say again, for my mind, that's the Nukunyuchi. Nebunano. We call Akachaam, Kekeke by Kent. Now, to you, call Richard Zemona, Nchoze can dare to queer. Nifu Megolu. Muso, this my truck as a seed. In 7 days, if I don't get what or the car or up to 7 cars, as many cars as I want in 7 days, man of police. Said I'm interested. Rough Coy Mwaba. I remember that song, No Mwaba. It was where Punde, where you talk a hand ego Hana Oju Hego, Manuelu, into one name my duel, Nuno. Hanyego Moto at that money. Where was the way with the money? And they believe only. That was what I planned, though. I'll be honest to us. And so this guy is imagining, and also become out on a chinny. Car, Nachini, we cannot doubt to queer. But now, when I made this thing secretly, then Kachinya was a reason to believe him next time. By the time that miracle, I mean, the miracle on I see Melmu. Only do I know who can because miracle I see me joy generally to me direct. No new kim. Then metazim to pay mezelum. They found for one woman kapu. If it is true, they won't be. I'll start being blunt because after now. I'm in my house now. All right, you will be sign out because you unfollow. I will start saying things the way they are. So what happened? He said, okay, no me go. Actually, I am, but no more than the button chin. Get I see nothing. I said, okay, no more idea. No, one driver with a police officer. I'm not here, Nana. He my escort. I didn't end up seeing and no. Then them in my house. The original documents of the car. Then change those people. Then the other guy, Ebuzebu, another over. Kewele just to pose. Mbo chia. One tolato. Very so in Navy. What happened? I'm a grandmother too emotional. I could not hide that. You know, and mommy actually did in her own room. Or Maximo Guinness knows now look at a maple. Say na, I say do not judge. Or when I won you, or Simba, take me. Say no, I see but so much to master seed. Chin money in a bed. I was in my own room now, Zimba, Chin and a muddy guy. Only to the guy now. Unuchi do but a more now, I don't know the guy. We didn't know now. Now, having said this, on your own neighbor, if only a Jew who are your pastor guru, Magon settled, Magon what direction of where this Akachaam is going, I will tell us. But for now, I'm like a guy, I now buy a bundan in the speaking for the voice of the voiceless. Mana, or you're being the voice of the voiceless. Mana, for now, how angry I am with these fake people that are using God in defrauding us. Phone number 070 300 3004. WhatsApp only. Use your voice note. Call me your story. More proof, more evidence. We must recover that thing on your son, no one of God, Nigeria. I think we'll start from there. Thank God for the contacts. First of all, so many people that have Onyechi Bazo saw what is happening on social media, being that if I was with him a week before he died, wrote to me, Sina Biko Onyechi Bazo, all my Onyechi Bazo writing me in WhatsApp. In fact, even though it's now nobody second message, they say, "Namana I want to submit my number." Obviously, my mind, since I will kill with and I called. After I asked him to visit Neri. Of course, most of us saw. And Onyechi Bazo, that does not charge a penny to stand for anybody in court. Father, pastor, Okochu, bishop, napụtara ife gbara ọkpụrụkpụ n'afa Chukwu ma na no wayo ọ no gị egwu ya n'ofegu n'anya. Send me a voice note 070-300-3004, my direct number. Chukwu ya natakwa ya back. Ndị ba ko dogo to agba hozo wole mboro echikonu si akụzi ebe na ba nke ọbụla anwụ. That's why na nwa aka na ata na say, touch not my anointed and do my prophet. More no possible prophet and my touch name because possible prophet I you. But how could you now, father, pastor, Kochuku, whoever, only Diego, say I will use good generator, phone, not anything because I'm also done too lazy to work. I need something on our to somebody donate in here. Then only one is here, and you need to Kachuku when you meanwhile, if I win in our Chukwu direct, and I took not direct. Break that padlock. Never can name one.